Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to share screen on PS5. So let's just get straight into the video. So to share your screen on a PlayStation 5, you can simply go ahead and start screen share by joining a party. So when you simply go ahead and join a party, which allows up to 16 players total, including yourself, to watch your gameplay in real time, all you need to do is go to the game base in the control center and start a voice chat and invite friends. On the voice chat card, select the share screen icon, a screen with a person, then start share screen. Choose this option and a notification will inform party members that screen sharing has started. Press on OK to start streaming your gameplay. You can also press the Create button left of the touchpad or navigate to the share screen icon on the right and select Start Share Screen. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.